What is going on, guys? They're going to show you how to do very basic animation in Blender. All I'm going to show you how to do is make that cube move from one direction to another. So this tutorial is more for noobs, more for people very new to Blender or new to animation in Blender. You could be a pro, you just don't know how to animate. I was like that at one point. I knew how to model, I knew how to do everything else, lighting, modeling, anything, but I did not know how to animate. So this will help anyone who is stumped on how to animate and just want to find a very quick tutorial on how to do it. So let's get started. So let's delete my scene quick. Cube. You don't need to put floor in, but it just looks nicer. I'm assuming you guys know how to do, oh god, know how to do the very basic stuff in Blender. Move that over here. So now all you want to do, ignore that. Okay, all you want to do is over here you got your cube. Now you need to insert a keyframe for its starting position. To do this, you can push I, you can push location, rotation, scale, or you can pick whatever you want. It depends what you want it to be changed. All we're going to change at the moment is the location. If you click this little button here, so a little record button. Now anywhere you click somewhere on the key on the timeline, anywhere you move the cube, now it will automatically animate that for you, as you can see. Now, if you don't want to do it like that, click a keyframe that you added on, push Alt I, and then you can delete that keyframe. Turn off record, and it will be back. And then if you want to just add it yourself, I, push I, location, boom. Does the exact same effect. Now, as you can see, another thing you might notice, it speeds up and then slows down, as if it was like a car and it was putting on its brakes, or just taking its foot off the acceleration around here, and then it slows down. Now if you don't want it to do that, you want it to be constant, split your area. To do that, right click at the top and click split, click down here, go to graph editor. In this little square here is where the animation happens. Looks very confusing. More you use Blender, you'll understand what this is, but all you got to do is put your mouse somewhere in this square and push T, and then click linear. And now when you play the animation, to play an animation, push Alt A, and it will be constant. Alright, so it's pretty much everything I want to show. I mean, also if you want to change its rotation or its scaling, if I delete that and it starts there again, if you push record and move it over there and rotate and size, and let's move it over here, it will, yes, you need to make the first frame. So if I go to the first frame, delete it, push I, and click location, rotation, scale. Now because I've got record on, all I've got to do is move it. Let's move it over here slightly. Let's rotate it that way, and let's scale it. It will automatically move in that direction. Let me scale it a bit more so it's more obvious. Wow. So as you can see, that is how you do very, very basic animation in Blender. Like I said, this is for anyone who's very, very new to Blender and just need to get off the ground on animation. I hope this helped anyone trying to animate. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.